MeaningMine is a marketing intelligence platform delivering quantitative metrics that enable our clients to be informed on, monitor, and report the value of their strategic communications activities. MeaningMine was used by the UK government and its partners on the Clean and Cool trade mission to San Francisco in 2010 in two different but complementary ways. Before the mission, it was used to analyse the Clean and Cool domain in the UK. During and after the mission, it was used in a media monitoring capacity to analyse, monitor, and report on online and offline news articles and social media content. Initially, MeaningMine was used to map out the Clean and Cool domain, where it identified over 100 candidate companies that were invited to compete to attend the Clean and Cool mission. The online sources, journalists and commentators covering fast growth entrepreneurship in the area of Clean and Cool in the UK, together with influencers and potential partners for the mission. MeaningMine was used during and after the mission to monitor online and offline media, driving greater and better two-way engagement with journalists and commentators. The What's Being Said portion of the tool shows the major themes in online conversation in the Clean and Cool domain. The major themes being discussed included entrepreneur, hydrogen shell, UK government, investor pitches, heating and energy. Looking closer at entrepreneur, we can see it is made up of several concepts you would expect to find, including capitalist, enterprise, Clean and Cool mission, and innovative. Some concepts which may not be so obvious are showing through here as well, including wind and wave technology, alongside the concept of social entrepreneurship represented in this space by Valens. The world map shows that the conversation about the Clean and Cool mission is occurring predominantly in Europe and the US. Examining Europe closer, we can see the majority of the conversation is occurring in the UK. The influencers screen is now reflecting the discussion around the Clean and Cool mission, and is showing the strength of a number of the mission's sponsors and partners' communications strategies coming through, together with companies who are able to drive strong media engagement during the mission. All articles can be viewed as a list and can be searched for any combination of keyword, country of origin, source or type. DIY Kyoto are one of the UK's most exciting early-stage companies to have participated in the mission. Here you can see an article written by CEO Richard Woods and published in growthbusiness.co.uk. You can also see an example of other key news stories occurring in conjunction with the mission, the Bloom Box launch for example. Two articles that mention the Clean and Cool mission in conjunction with Bloom Box can be identified, wired.co.uk and guardian.co.uk. The frequency screen shows how much the area of Clean and Cool mission is being discussed. The major peaks here are driven by the main press release and blogging activity during the mission. The articles that the visualizations are based on are displayed using the article carousel. As you navigate the visualization, clicking on results, the carousel automatically rotates to display only those articles relevant to your selection. You can view a snippet by mousing over, or read the full text of the article by clicking on it. There are many metrics that MeaningMine can provide and monitor to determine effective delivery against key outcomes and KPIs. For the Technology Strategy Board communications team, outcomes and targets on the mission were as follows: 96 articles against a target of 50, 425 tweets against a target of 200, 77% mentions for Technology Strategy Board against a target of 65%, 62% mentions for Clean and Cool mission companies against a target of 50%. Of all articles, 98% were positive, 2% were neutral and none were negative. MeaningMine continues to be used today to monitor the Clean and Cool domain in the UK for UK government, investors, media and private sector stakeholders. Let us know if you would like more information.